Good afternoon, everybody. Today's topic is on aging and periodontium. First of all, we will start with the introduction. Aging is slowing of natural function, disintegration of the balance, control, and organization that characterize the young adult. Given by little, the geriatric population has been growing fast over the last decade because of changes in demographics. Changes in biochemical and physiological process occurs with aging in all the parts of the body tissue, including periodontium. Inflammatory and resolution macrophage mediated process are impaired, impacting the progression of the periodontal disease. Now we will talk about the changes what we see in aging. First of all, we will see in the gingival epithelium, thinning of the epithelium and diminished keratinization. Secondly, increased epithelial permeability to pathogens, decreased resistance to functional trauma. Flattening of the apex occurs which increases the height of the epithelial ridges. Now the changes in the connective tissue. Increasing in age results in coarse and denser connective tissue, decreased connective tissue cellularity, decrease in organic matrix production with aging. Effects on collagen, decreased rate of collagen synthesis. The rate of conversion of salt soluble to salt insoluble collagen increase with age. Now the changes in the periodontal ligament. Decreased number of fibroblasts and more irregular structure, decreased organic matrix production, decreased epithelial cell rests, and increased amount of elastic fibers. The changes we see in cementum, increase in cemental width, this increase may be 5 to 10 times wider than in those of younger age. The increase in width is greater apically and lingually. Continuous increase in amount of cementum. Lastly, the conclusion of this slide is the biological effects of aging have either no effect or a minimal defect on an individual response to periodontal treatment. Mental diseases and conditions that occur more often with age may require modification to periodontal preventive tools as well as the planning and treatment phases of periodontal care. Regarding all this seminar, the references are from the Karanza, from the 3rd edition and the 10th edition.